my YouTube channel, WARS PAK. Today we are going to talk about something unique and exciting, the Dodge Camper Van 2025. As more people embrace van life and outdoor adventures, manufacturers have started focusing on producing high-quality camper vans that offer both comfort and performance. Dodge has been known for its powerful vehicles, and if they were to release a 2025 camper van, it would likely be a game-changer in the RV and camper market. The Dodge Camper Van 2025 is expected to feature a powerful and efficient engine to handle long road trips with ease. A V6 or hybrid powertrain could be the perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency, allowing travelers to explore off-the-grid locations without worrying about fuel consumption. With advanced all-wheel drive capabilities, this camper van would be ideal for rough terrains, making it a great option for adventure enthusiasts. The suspension system would likely be upgraded to handle different road conditions, providing a smooth and comfortable ride no matter where you travel. When it comes to design, the 2025 Dodge Camper Van would showcase a rugged yet modern look. It would feature a spacious and well-thought-out interior, optimized for both comfort and utility. The van could come with a fully functional kitchenette, a foldable bed, ample storage compartments, and even a small workspace for digital nomads. With smart technology integrated, expect features like touchscreen controls, solar panel connectivity, and smart lighting to enhance the overall experience. The exterior might include roof racks for extra storage, an extendable awning for outdoor living space, and a robust body structure built for durability. Technology and safety are also key factors in modern camper vans, and the Dodge Camper Van 2025 would not be an exception. It could be equipped with the latest driver assist systems, such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras to ensure safe and easy maneuvering. Connectivity features like Wi-Fi, smartphone integration, and an advanced infotainment system would make road trips more enjoyable. Additionally, a powerful battery system with fast charging capabilities could allow off-grid camping without relying on external power sources. Pricing for the 2025 Dodge Camper Van would depend on the configurations and features, but it could start at around $60,000 and go up based on additional customizations. With its blend of performance, luxury, and functionality, this camper van would appeal to travelers, van lifers, and families looking for the perfect adventure vehicle. If Dodge officially announces this model, we will bring you the latest updates, reviews, and exclusive details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WARS PAK for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for more.